All right, so you've ever tried to apply pressed powder to a peeling face? It's kind of a pain because your face is falling off. So I do have a whole nother video on how to do it with a BB cream under it. But there are a couple tricks that if you're like, I can't use a dream tint, I can't use a BB cream, this is what I have, that's what I'm using. Here's how to apply your pressed powder.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.
So in this case, I really recommend a flock sponge. And the reason why is because we need something that's really gonna press that skin and keep it on board your face, okay? And the pressing is the most important. So you're gonna make sure you load it by pressing and pulling a little bit and loading it on. Then you're gonna go ahead and push it on and lift it off. Push it on, lift it off, push it on, lift it off. And we're gonna go ahead and do that everywhere. And we're not gonna have any dragging, no dragging, because you'll move your skin all the way around. You need to make sure you have a lot of hydration on your skin. So if you are not using some kind of moisturizer that's a very heavy moisturizer, you need to make sure you do that. Lots and lots of moisturizer, okay? Lots and lots of moisturizer, okay? Also, you might decide that you want to use, if you're red at all, you might want to use a color that is more yellow than you are naturally. So I'm usually an ivory, but I'm using a bisque. And we're using a bisque today. And the reason why is because it's gonna help block any of my kind of pink that might be showing through, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and powder everything, but notice there's no rubbing. It's all pressing. That pressing is really important because it's just gonna help adhere that skin to my face. But I'm going to say that as your day goes on and your powder, you kind of eat away your moisturizer, your powder is going to flake off and your skin's going to start to flake off. So make sure you carry your hydration mist with you. Make sure that if you really want to have that face stick on better, you think about using something like Jane Iredale's Glow Time or a BB cream or a Dream Tint or CC cream, something like that. All right. So see how that works for you. And now mist it, set it on up. The more hydration mist you use, the better off you are. A lot of times I'll just travel with one of her little small ones throughout the day so I can just keep misting. It will also help heal your skin. All right, so that is how to go ahead and keep that skin on your face. All right, you have a great day. This is Sylvia, your skin fitness expert, helping you look good and feel great. Bye.